Alright, so here's the finished piece. I just finished stuffing in the last one. You notice how they nicely come out and then all bend in. So they're nicely parallel as they enter the block. The reason for that is for when we loosen this up, what we want to do is slide it to the next one. You can punch it down in the first block, but I found it's much easier just to slide it over there and punch it down. Okay, once they're all punched down, then we want to slide it out a little bit. Choose our length. We want to cut it to, roughly about that long. Lock it down. Slow right there. This will give you a nice square edge. Alright, now for the back piece. Well, actually, you can, at this point in time, you can clip off all the tails. Like that. Or you can run your blade down the edge, although sometimes it has a tendency to leave some bits on there that can cross each other. So just clip them flush all the way across, like that. Alright, so then we want to flip it over so it's in the proper orientation. We want to take our end piece and slide the end with the nub pointed towards the Bix block. So that's pointed down, nub this way, and then we can bring it to our clamp and clamp her down. Like that. So what you want to do is you want to insert it into here, push the cable down so it rubs against this bottom piece, and then push the connector so it sits flat. So everything should fit flat like this inside this clamp. And then crank it down, lock it in with your retention. Right, and then we got to test it. So to test it, we take our little test fixture here, little connector, put that on. Then we take this, or you can take two handheld prongs, and you just need to touch it between the pair. Making sure to touch every single set just to make sure it's all good. you test it. You test it between the first and second, or on either side of the tall nubs. So once they're all tested and trimmed, that's the finished assembly. So you want to do one for that side, one for that side, and we're done. Thank you.